Number 8, we're writing systems of equations now instead of just equations. Systems means we're going to have two equations at the same time. You see, each of the answer choices has two different equations. So talking about spiral notebooks, we're trying to figure out how many pages are in each of the spiral notebooks. The first thing we come across is this, and what I'm doing right now is trying to figure out what my two equations are going to be. The first information we have is a new spiral notebook contains 30 more sheets of paper than a new memo book. Then it tells us the total number of sheets of paper in 3 new spiral notebooks plus 5 new memo books is at 810. Those two sentences are my two equations. So we're going to translate those. It says a new spiral notebook, and it tells us here spiral notebook is S, contains 30 more sheets. 30 more sounds like adding 30 to the memo books. So in this sentence, the first question you should ask before you start writing is, am I talking about spiral notebooks or am I talking about memo books? This is talking about spiral notebooks. It's the first thing it mentions, and usually that's what we're talking about, the subject of the sentence. Spiral notebooks contain 30 more sheets of paper. So we have my memo books plus 30. My memo books pages plus 30. This could be 30 plus M as well, same thing. Then we have the total number of sheets of paper in 3 spiral notebooks and 5 new memo books is 810. This is just simply adding these together. I have 3 spiral notebooks and 5 memo books equals 610. Is equals. So 3 spiral plus 5 memo equals 810. Well, looking at this, I see there's not one in this form. So let's check to make sure all of them have this bottom one. 3s plus 5m equals 810. 3s, 5m, 810. That works. 3s, 5m, 810. That works. 5s. That doesn't match. That's wrong. That's wrong. That can't be this one. Oop, these are wrong again. Can't be that one. So we're left with only A or B. So it has to be one of these. So what did they do? They put both the S and the M on the same side. So let's take our S equals M plus 30. And let's take this M off this side. So we're going to have subtract M on both sides. I can't do anything with this. These are not like terms. So I have S minus M is equal to 30. That's plus. That doesn't work. So it has to be A.